Hello, my name is Kwang, and this is my final project for class 160. I'm building a machine learning models to predict the winners for next season football league, the Premier Leagues, and I'm using Claude to help me to build this single Python script. So I use XGBoost and to build a classifier that meet the needs of my project. So I first download data sets from source called Football Code UK, and it has three seasons: 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26 as the data input from my models. And these season weights are ranked as the most season would be the most relevant so that we have 50%. And in the data sheets for downloaded, it's looking like this. It has the record for each match and the scores and how many assists attempted, how many goals attempted. These would then be feed into the scripts, into the Python and process to generate features that are important for my models, which is goal difference, shot difference, corners difference, and home advantage, etc. Oh yeah. And I also add another personal touch on the personal levels, uh, individual players that are main attacking players of the team. And I have these statistics like goal per game and assist per game recorded from the official Premier League website. These will be trained alongside with the other team level statistics. For the XGBoost models, this is the classifiers that I use. It has 300 small trees. Each tree has maximum 4 different levels that they can answer yes or no to mix the predictions, and each tree will have 5% contribution to the final predictions. And each tree can only use 80% of the features, which is the corners difference, goals difference, etc. And for the weights of the individual players, for striker would be more important to score goals. For wingers, it would be more important to assist. And these are the functions to generate the features, and they will be displayed on a HTML. So I will run this Python script, and you can choose one of the 20 teams in the Premier League. This should be able to put a complete HTML with all the different features. So the protection probabilities, it's 8%, which is quite low because the team is not doing really well this season. And for the model performance, one ROC means the model is very confident of having a good predictions. And for lock loss, a low number means it's punished. Wrong prediction with high probability more than wrong prediction but with less probabilities, and higher score will match how predictions compared to the actual outcomes for a second layer of validations. And this is tables with all the different teams. Arsenal is having the highest probability because being logically biased that this season they are currently on the top of the tables. And as a fan like me for Newcastle, this is something that we want to see each game and expect if we ever gonna hope that the team is gonna win the league. So the goal difference has to be one one goal per game. Goal difference with the other team, and the shots should be 15. And shot on targets should be 5. And on the individual players levels, you expect the striking key players to have higher goals, higher assists, and around these numbers, which is for ideally around these numbers. Uh, these are the the model diagnostics that tell you what is this model being built on and what it thinks is important. So for my uh, model, it uses goal difference as the most important inputs because honestly, to win a game you need a goal difference, and this is also uh, illustrated below in these histograms where blue means home wins and red means losing. So for goal difference, you can see the two separations clearly. So that means it's easier to predict using goal difference. And for other features like shot difference, corner difference, home advantage, there's a lot of overlays to distinguish between wins and a lose for correct predictions. RC curves, like the model coming on the left and hugging on the top left, mean it's very confident with the predictions being 1.0. Confusion matrix here showing how is the prediction compared to the actual outcomes, and these are 100% correct predictions, which is too good to be true, and you will have to wait till next season to see if this is actually right. Yeah, that's all for my project. Thank you.